Hello student, very precious good morning all of you. Welcome to Dr. Sanjay Singh Biology Tutorials. Today, now we are going to discuss endomembrane system. First of all, what is the endomembrane system? Endomembrane system, they are present in all eukaryotic cells. The some cell organelles, they are present inside the cytoplasm. They function in a coordinated manner and this system is known as endomembrane system. The name of the cell organelles, they are present in the cytoplasm, they are important, they function in the coordinated manner, means function they are linked with each other. The first cell organelles is known as endoplasmic reticulum, second cell organelles is known as Golgi apparatus, and third is the lysosome. Means all these three cell organelles, they are coordinated with each other, means function in the coordinated manner and constitutes a system, and this system is known as endomembrane system. मतलब तीन सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स ऐसे होते हैं जो endomembrane systems के रूप में काम करते हैं. Here is the some diagrams represent the endomembrane system. Here is the endoplasmic reticulums. They are attached, they are originated from the nucleus. ये न्यूक्लियस से इसकी ओरिजिन मानी जाती है. आफ्टर दैट इसी के जस्ट पास द अनदर सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स आर फाउंड, दैट इज नोन एज गोल्जी एपरेटस. आफ्टर दैट लाइसोसोम्स, मतलब ऐसा माना जाता है कि लाइसोसोम दे आर ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम द गोल्जी एपरेटस. तो ऑल थ्री सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स कोऑर्डिनेटेड विथ ईच अदर टू फॉर्म ए स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन एंड दिस सिस्टम इज नोन एज endomembrane system. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिस्कस ऑन endoplasmic reticulum. Detail. Endoplasmic reticulum is a type of cell organelles present in all eukaryotic cell except RBCs and ovum of mammals. मतलब वहाँ पर ये नहीं पाए जाते, but all the eukaryotic cell having this cell organelles. This is the network-like structures. They are present in the cytoplasmic area, as well as they provided a mechanical support to the cell because 2/3 area of the cytoplasm covered these cell organelles. If you see the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum, it is composed of three kind of structures. Number one is the cisternae, second is the tubules, and third is the vesicle. So here discuss detail one by one. What is the cisternae? Cisternae is the long flat-ended tube-like structure, parallel structure. They are interconnected with each other. On the surface of the cisternae, ribosomes are present. इसके ऊपर ribosomes होते हैं, ribosomes are present. तो what is the function of cisternae? The main function of the cisternae is what? Protein synthesis. तो इस तरह से आपने देखा कि cisternae is the long flat-ended parallel structure. They are interconnected with each other. It contains ribosome on the surface of the membrane. It is very important role for protein synthesis. The second structure of endoplasmic reticulum, that is known as tubules. Tubules are branched or unbranched. Branched or unbranched. Like divide of ribosomes, this is the important role for lipid and steroid synthesis or sterol synthesis. Here is the structures of the tubule, either branched like structures or unbranched like structures, that is known as tubules. This is the another structure of the endoplasmic reticulums, that is known as tubules. Tubules, they are present in the endoplasmic reticulum. Third is what? Third is the vesicles. The vesicle is the spherical or rounded shape. Spherical or rounded shape. Mostly found in pancreatic tissues. Very large amount में वहाँ पर आपको मिलते हैं pancreatic tissues. Mostly found in pancreatic tissues. It store, what is the function? Store immature protein, immature protein. It is also lack of ribosomes. So vesicles is what? It is the spherical or rounded shape structures which are present in the endoplasmic reticulum, that is known as vesicles. तो इस तरह से आपने देखा कि endoplasmic reticulums compose three kind of structures. First is the cisternae, second is the tubules, and third is the vesicle. The structure are slightly different with each other as well as functions are slightly different with each other. After that, type of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. There are two type of ribosomes, rough endoplasmic reticulums, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulums, here is the very simple diagrams of rough endoplasmic reticulums. The rough endoplasmic reticulum, on the surface of endoplasmic reticulums, ribosomes are present. Ribosomes are present. Here is the ribosomes. Ribosome. So this type of endoplasmic reticulum is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum because the outer wall of the rough endoplasmic reticulum, they are roughness in nature due to presence of ribosomes. So what is the function? What is the function? There are two important functions of the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Is the first important function is protein synthesis. Protein synthesis. Another important function, formation of precursor of enzyme, precursor of enzyme of lysosome in Golgi complex. This is the another important function of the rough endoplasmic reticulum. इस तरह से आप, इसका मतलब क्या है कि ये जो लाइसोसोम्स होते हैं, लाइसोसोम हैविंग ए डाइजेस्टिव वैक्यूल्स, हैविंग ए लॉट ऑफ हाइड्रोलिटिक एंजाइम्स, all the hydrolytic enzymes, the precursor of hydrolytic enzymes, first of all synthesized with the help of rough endoplasmic reticulum. After that, maturation of the enzymes takes place inside the Golgi complex. तो ये भी important role है. This is the two important function of the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Second, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulums devoid of ribosomes. ऐसा endoplasmic reticulum जिसके surface पर ribosomes are totally absent. तो this type of endoplasmic reticulum is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And what is the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum? What is the function? This is the first function. Synthesis of lipid and steroids. They are belonging to the derived lipids. Detoxification of drugs. जो हमारे ड्रग्स होते हैं, अगर उसको डिटॉक्सीफाई करना हो, उसके टॉक्सिक इफेक्ट को न्यूट्रलाइज करना है, तो स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम्स प्ले ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. एंड द थर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन ऑफ स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम हेल्प इन मसल्स कंट्रैक्शन. Because release calcium ions, and the calcium ions play a very important role for muscles contraction. So three were here, the three main function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. तो इस तरह से endoplasmic reticulums is a network-like structure, is a type of cell organelles present in the cytoplasmic area. It provided a mechanical support to the cells, as well as there are two types on the basis of presence or absence of ribosome: smooth endoplasmic reticulum as well as rough endoplasmic reticulum. What is the function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Synthesis of lipid and steroid and sterols, detoxification of drugs, and help in muscles contraction, because they release calcium ion in the muscle, therefore the muscles contract very smoothly. So here the endoplasmic reticulum are totally finished. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.